picking out a flower. The rain falls on the thirsty ground with life-giving power. Nature doesn't choose a favorite, it gives to all the same. And that is how our Savior loves. He knows us each by name. Yellow like the jasmine, brown like polished teak. He's the strength for all the weary and the helper of the weak. Black like the deep cosmos, white like clouds above. All the children of the world are cradled in His love. If you're feeling like you're different, if you're feeling all alone, remember you're a living stone before the Father's throne. He crafted you with purpose, He designed you with a smile. He's walked beside your footsteps through every single night. There is no us or them when we're standing at His feet. Only brothers, only sisters, making family complete. The love of Yahushua is a fire and a flame, burning for the children who are calling on His name. The sunshine of His face, the rain of His grace.